Hi there everyone. Today I'm gonna be making veal cutlet in a tomato sauce. Okay, I will start with the eggs. Okay. And garlic. I'll put the salt. The cheese. Parsley, and I will just mix it until everything. So the meat, here I have huge veal cutlets. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it in half because they're too big, and I'm gonna leave maybe a couple big ones. See? Okay, I'm gonna leave those big. So I will start putting in the egg, and I'm gonna mix it all together, and I'm gonna mix them, and I'm gonna add the rest of the cheese, and this is Romano cheese. Okay, so now here I have the breadcrumbs. Okay, so I'll just dip them like this and go like that. I got another one. Make sure they're nice and coated. You want not to get some of the parsley, everything. Okay, now you press them down. One by one. Okay, so beautiful. Okay. So you put them in a dish. So you keep doing this until it's all finished. Okay, so all done. Now I'm gonna fry them. This is done. This you throw it. Okay, I'm gonna start frying them now. Yo-yo, it's ready. They don't take long to fry these. Here I have a red pepper sauce. You can get the recipe under Nonna says Mangia on YouTube. I made it there so you can watch the video about the red pepper sauce. And this is just dip them in here and let them cook for about a minute on each side until they soak up really good. You can tell how tender they are. So I'm gonna put them in this pot. They're really soaked with the sauce. I have like a little bit of sauce left over. You can just add a little bit of water. They look nice. And you can just put them on the table the way they are, ready to serve. So good, delicioso. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.